Looking to build advanced professional directories faster than ever? Introducing Directorist 8.0, now enhanced with powerful, feature-rich AI directory builder for creating any type of directory websites and classified ads listing sites. With Directorist's built-in AI, you can create a complete optimized directory in minutes. Just enter a few key details and watch AI handle the rest, from generating categories to suggesting content. Version 8 offers over 28 directory templates, and more are being added continuously to build diverse directory sites quickly. Plus, Directorist 8.0 is faster than ever, with enhanced loading speeds to keep your visitors engaged. Easily customize your directory with the Bricks Builder integration, offering flexible layouts and designs to match your brand. Our advanced search functionality now includes listing search alerts, helping users find exactly what they need fast. Directorist 8.0. Smarter, faster, better.